Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Card Extended Order List add-on. Now this magnificent add-on expands the order details on the order list page itself. This works well in the admin, vendor and customer area, that is at the back end as well as at the front end. There will be an option to expand and collapse the order details from the order list. This way the admin and the customers will have a quick check of the products in any particular order without going to the order details page. So this particular add-on provides an eye-catching view of the purchase product details along with the product image, takes the user experience to the next level. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin, that's the CS Cart extended order list add-on at the storefront and at the backend, and I'll also be showing you the initial configuration settings that are required for this particular plugin. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm on the storefront and I've logged into my customer account. That's the James Horton customer account right now, and I'm on the orders page. So here we are having the complete list of orders that have been placed by the customer here. Now here we have the option to expand or collapse a particular order and view the details without going to the order details page. So here we are having the order number 133. As you can see, the status is right now open. The customer is James Horton. The date is 20th here, as you can see, and the total is for $130. So if I want to view the particular details of this order and the products that I purchased within this particular order, then I can tap here on the drop down that you can see just to the left of the order number, and this brings up the complete list of products within this particular order. So here you can see that I've purchased the 16 GB A series Walkman video MP3 with the code as well. The price of the product is there, the quantity that I've purchased, and the subtotal there. Now this is the extended order list feature that allows the customers basically and the admin and the customers to have a quick check of the products in any particular order without going to the order details page. Now the same view is visible to the admin as well. So if I take you to the admin backend panel here, here as well you can see that I've navigated through orders and view orders, and here you can see that each of the orders are collapsed right now. To open a particular order, I just need to tap here on this particular button that I have to the left of the order, that is the expand and collapse the list of the items, and this would bring up the complete list of products that the customer had purchased with the price, quantity and the subtotal there, right? So that's how this particular plugin works. That's the CS Cart extended order list add-on, and this way the admin and the customers will have a quick check of the products in any particular order without going to the order details page there, right? Along with the product image as well is visible here on the particular section itself. So here as well you can see I can check any of the products by tapping here on the drop down option here, and that brings up the particular product. If it has any options, those options would also be visible, for example here you can see that we have the color and the size, the price of the product, the quantity and the subtotal along with the same. If I want to collapse it out, I can tap here to collapse it out and this would collapse the particular order details. So this is basically a quick view. Now if I tap here on the order view there, then I'll be taken to the complete order details or the order web page completely, wherein I can find the rest of the details that include the general information that has the customer information, the product information, the summary, the pay order section and much more itself. Now let's see the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. So for that, what we need to do is we need to navigate through add-ons and manage add-ons, and here we have to enter extended, and here you will find the extended order list that allows the admin or the customers to view order details on the order list page itself without the need to go to the order details page. So without the need of going to the order details page, you can check the order details completely on the order list page itself. So here I have navigated through add-ons and manage add-ons, and I opened the extended order list. Now to check the initial configuration settings of this particular plugin, you'll have to tap here on the settings button, and that would bring up two configuration settings. One is the customer configuration and the other one is the admin configuration settings. Now here you have the option to check these options to enable to show the extra information, show the image of the product, and open the extra info tab, allow the to open the extra info tab. So if you check here, then you'll be able to show the extra order information at the order page for the customer area. If you check this option here for the show image, then the show product image would be displayed in the extra order info at the customer's order page. And if you check this open extra info option here, then you'll be able to view the order extra info in collapse mode at customers order page itself. Now the same goes for the admin as well. For the admin as well, you can check here to show the extra order info at the order page or for the admin area. And to check this option for the show image, you will be able to show the product image in extra order information at the admin's order page. And similarly, you can check the open extra info checkbox here so as to allow the admin to view the orders extra info in collapse mode at the admin's order page. And lastly, what you need to do is you just need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings there for the particular plugin. So yes, that was much about the particular plugin. That's the CS Cart extended order list add-on, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this add-on allows the admin and the customers to have a quick check of the products in any particular order without going to the order details page, as I've already shown you by tapping on the drop down there and expanding and collapsing the particular order. Now if you want to view the particular order details on the order details page, then you can tap here on the order number, and that would basically bring up the complete order details page. Is complete order details page. Otherwise, this plugin helps you to view the particular details of the order on the order list page itself for the customers as well as for the admin and the vendor as well. So yes, that was much about the CS Cart extended order list add-on, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uedes.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.